Got him! He out, cuz! Reeled him in. Yeah, there you go. Listen, y'all. As a kid, we all live and dream of being a professional athlete, baseball player. Also, as a kid, I know personally myself, I always wanted a custom Ford Raptor. Jacob Webb is the star of the show today. Jacob plays professional baseball for the Baltimore Orioles. And yes, I'm rocking Tomas Nido gear. He sent this gear to my son Brady, so I had to rock it. So Tomas, big fan of yours as well. But Jacob, we followed you the whole season this year. Your career's been phenomenal. So today is about making your dream come true. You're already a professional athlete, but reviewing your INDO edition custom Akins Ford Raptor. Now before we get started, you know me and my boy Jesse Cash, you know we gotta toss the ball around a little bit, so let's get to it. Jesse Cash Money. 38, feeling great. Let's see if I can throw it down. Got him. Got him. Yeah, right there. Bam, baby. Let's go. So Jesse and I love baseball, and Jesse said he hadn't through. How long has it been, Jesse?
4 years.
4 years since he's through. So we got to get out here more often and do this, because it's just like it's a release. It's a mental thing, just getting clarity and enjoyment. Like we were talking about Jacob and everyone, they have dreams of doing this for a living, have dreams of owning custom Raptors or Raptors in general. So for Jacob, we're so proud of you, big dog. And Tucker Davidson was the guy that referred him to us, y'all. So Tucker played for the Braves. He's with the Royals now. He was at the Angels also. Went back to the Royals. That's Jesse's got a long time history with the Royals, him and his family. So just the connections that we're gaining in this industry that we love, the automotive and baseball community, is truly special. So it was a no doubt that Jesse had to help Jacob this process. So meet him. You'll see this video before he comes to pick it up. Last night, they got knocked out last night. The Orioles had such a good team all year, but ended it last night against the Rangers. Jake get to pitch twice against the Rangers. So that was good to see. And we just, all of our that support us, we support you as well. And been keeping up with Jacob all year. He actually played for the Braves, y'all. As I mentioned, he's got a ring, he got a championship ring. All your dreams are right in front of you. So for us to be a part of this experience for Jacob, and for us, it's a legacy day for Jesse and I. For him to select us, trusting us for him, which you're about to see with the Raptor here in a minute. You're gonna know why. I mean, we knocked it out of the park on every customizations and 37 package that is like no other. So legit. I'm gonna stretch it out a bit with Cash Money. You still got it, Cash. It takes a minute to get back in the groove, you know? The thing I do best right now is batting practice. I can throw batting practice like a champ, baby. Sign me up for the major leagues for batting practice pitcher, baby. I'm locked in. Yeah. Yep. All right, y'all. Me, Jesse, feeling great, feeling good, feeling great. Got a little baseball action out here. Now, without further ado, let's review. Cash came correct. He got the Orioles swag going on. He got them dirty. I'm not so sure I'm feeling about that, but he said it's worth it for the cause. And then he's got the Pro Preferred one time. Dang. Where'd this come from? Where'd it come from?
My boy Ash, he got drafted first round 2015 Kansas City Royals. My brother played with the Kansas City Royals. My dad worked for the Kansas City Royals for like, I don't know, the past 7, 8 years. Worked for the Braves for a long time. Big baseball family. Come on.
Love it.
You already know what it is.
Let's go. Jesse, I don't know if this is like a bad omen or something, but we're putting power tailgate coming on down, but we're putting a Mets player's bag in the back of an Orioles pitcher's bag. But look, we got a power tailgate up now on the Ford Raptor and 14 Gen F-150. This is a clean, perfect rendition of a Ford Raptor. We were tossing and turning between painting or not painting, but Jacob kept coming back to his thought process of just a nice, clean, rugged rendition with some great upgrades. That's what we're about to talk to you today. Oxford White 2023 Akins Ford Raptor. This was a 35 package. It was a peasant 35 package, but I'm like, we got an MLB stud out here, y'all. We cannot have him rolling around on a peasant 35 package. And even a 37 package from Ford is outstanding and so rare, but this vehicle right here is even more rare and unique in that we put the best suspension possible on the front of this bad boy, lifted it up 2 inches in the front only, and our own wheel and tire combo in 37 inches. This is the best way to roll on 37s on a Ford Raptor. Let's start up front, Cash, with our level kit system. We have the Fox live valve system with the Finn remote reservoir up front, the coilover replacement system. So that's right, we're taking off that premium Fox shocks in the front for even more premium, even more legit, better handling, better experience overall with this kit. Levels it up 2 inches because from the factory, this truck sits down nose heavy in that 1.75 to 2 inch mark. So this is perfect money setup, nice and level. It gives us room to accommodate 37s, 37, 12 and a half, 17. That's right, we're on the real deal 17s, baby. We have the MR 301 from Method. This wheel is one of the tried and true iconic ones. I love the simulated beadlock bolts. It kind of ties in with the white. 17 by 8.5, 0 offset. That's the perfect sweet spot as far as giving our tire a nice rolled bulge to it. And then mild to wild scale, we're sticking out about a good 3.5 inches. It's a perfect setup because we gotta get that bulldog stance for the Ford Raptor, because tucked in on 37s from the factory or 35s, it's just not legit enough. It's not on our level. And you know, we gotta get on Fox's level as well, rocking the Fox swag today. WildWilliesAccessories.com. Hit us up for all of our apparel. We got so much swag coming to you now and in the future. You gotta check it out. Again, WildWilliesAccessories.com. Please go and check it out, y'all. We'd love to hook you up with our swag. Up front, you can tell we got lighting everywhere. Baja Design Squadron Pro lights behind the grille. You see them stick it on here on the front so many times, but why? This is not nice and clean behind the grille, still puts out a ton of light. And then we have rigid triple fog kits down here below. This outer light is a functional street legal light. You've got floodlight, spotlight combo for a true light disbursement like no other. Whether he's off-roading or on-roading, if he's on a back road and it's nighttime and it's dusky dark or it's raining, throw some more lights out there to improve your safety and overall visibility. That's what it's about. We love making things look good, but we also like the functionality and improvement that we can give the vehicle, like this mild to wild wheel and tire combo being a little bit wider stance. It has a better handling characteristic. It drives so good. 37s on 17s, this drives better than that peasant 35 package. When this thing was stock, it was a phenomenal vehicle, the truck of all trucks, the best everyday driver. So many of you all hear us talk about these vehicles being a off-road only. That's what y'all's thought process is, but this is the best everyday driver on the market. Cash Money thinks it too after driving these so much. We have rigid rock lights in all 4 wheel wells. We've got 2 per wheel well. That way at nighttime, the 360 camera, you've got cameras and technology everywhere. You definitely can showcase maneuvering at nighttime when the rock lights are turned on. You have nighttime visibility. It's great. I'm gonna step back, let Cash just do a little side shot here of the overall project here. It's got a great balance to it. We're not so negative on our offset to where we're sticking out too much, and then we're definitely not too positive to where it doesn't have a nice flow, aesthetically look to it. We've got Lumar window tint, guaranteed for life. We've got Husky rear wheel well liners, because without it, you can see the underbody in white exposed and it just does not look good at all. That's a way to clean up the looks of the truck overall. As you saw earlier, we've got a roll and lock A-series powder coated aluminum bed cover. It's a retractable style. It's the worthy bed cover to put on this truck. You twist here, slides back like money, gives you the capability to pull back and lock in 3 different places. So a good example here, grab your little strap. I love the strap that they include. Every time it clicks, it stays in those particular areas. 2 or then all the way fully closed. Great setup. You've got additional power in the back. You got your hands full, you're tied up with your baseball gear. You want to stick it in there, take your leg, bump that right there, it goes right up. Also, on the inside, we've got so much technology, but back here at the exhaust, we've got different exhaust modes to make you smile or be toned down based on your neighbors and your current vibe. Twin turbo V6 EcoBoost, high output, 450 horsepower. Let's go. Oxford white is a great color in the Ford Raptor overall. It just suits the needs of just being a rugged but refined vehicle overall. I want to finish the video up front right here at this substantial, mean, and wide, showcasing the lighting, the skid plate, and not being painted. I think is still a perfect rendition for Jacob. And again, Jesse and I are so proud and thankful for you trusting in us and all the people in our baseball community that know that we are the real deal here at Wild Willies at Akins. We can take care of every facet in a timely manner. I just need to get Jacob down here when he comes, and maybe Jesse, we can get him out here and see if we can hit that fastball. I know he's in the mid to upper 90s, so maybe we can see what he's got.
I'm gonna be honest with you, I already know I can't, but maybe you can.
Oh, I just want to catch it. I just want to catch it. How about that? How about that? But for Real Deal and Jesse, thanks so much for watching, y'all. It's been a great day. We love coming out here and mixing it up with our great customers and clientele. Got a good sweat in today. Until next time, hit that subscribe button. We'll catch y'all tomorrow.